Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, there is a big war between Pengu family and Ndaonde family. Sakile sent his criminals to Zetulele, and the Pengu learns of the stabbing in the prison, but unclear on who exactly has been stabbed. Nomsa gives a nonchalant Tusheleni an earful about his careless ways regarding the business. It seems like Tusheleni is relaxed after he got a chance to own Msamu. He does not want to work, but Nomusa tries to encourage that they must bring the loan that buy Msamu. Shira prepare her speech for the book launch, and Tando call her friend Zodwa to spread the news that she will be on television and in the papers for her book. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.